asofu so asentare fita kwagina ho na command
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Papa. As if say you don't know what has happened. I find I woke up first hand information. But in 2013 January, you learned Accra Flood Management Project as a program. Content creation. Mampania, when the TikTok is na yepe. Content creation. Yeah, the only way TV so. Hypocrisy. Na on them wiemu te helicopter. Na o National Anti-Flood Task Force na. What they were double stand up between ano or no for helicopter and them wiemu fa and can montation no. Oba e dey ba some no ba catch there o. I think a flood di ba no and ka wunnim dada. And she share the mu na asofu so asentare fita kwagina ho na command in the realms of the spirit. I command, I prophesy. Muna mo ya manyofo muna because ma jeje appointment ama mo yere no mma maba no manom ene mo ankasa mo ho and you have become politician. Asemo ba muntumi nka na do boni ode yam de so pa asofo ene muti krom anum asofo ne bi na do ne MPP boni ode yam de so pa ana mo am hye nkom se Ghana mampani John Ramani Mahama moja aya ne nsa na me na me kae mo ara mo kae you want me meaning and go telephone number
trying to laugh no because it's backing the sentiments of majority of the people.
Hypocrisy. Na on them wiemu te helicopter na o National Anti-Flood Ghana eni enimu mu bi eni etie ne fa ne saa ana moa mu bi sa twa ho baae samu na mo se samu na dwanto ahene mo ko dwanto Nyankopɔn ho Nyankopɔn hu no mobo adene mfom so ache no ene ye ne ene niema basa na esisi e wo kromu anu ma wo tie ase a enye yi. Some of the happenings in this country, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make reasonable sense. What I said is that it doesn't add up. Then so asofwe and near man kakran anko ye on another abreso. Amudi any bre any buffo and his some no time. Ekasa ya me biko dua do taba umiaso no. And then we are seeing worse things.
Okay. No, let me finish.
Yes,
that's my thing.
Because we have just 4 minutes to land.
See, I think on today's show, you have failed to protect me.
Okay,
and to some
so
extent,
it's allowed. Because
since 1962, and I'm saying this because 50 years in as far as Greater Accra is concerned, a bedid. 1972 coup. Thwarted, and I say a tremu say initiative. 50 years later, the same MPP control program that's yay MPP, which comes, what is this? People have died. We are being serious here. 50 years later, a party that came out of the Progress Party, Ako World Bank, a source funding, which when your interest are kwakutia, a rolling out program. Sebi, ye no, muse mo ye reset, maba. At Renchem Kessie says, Oman pain se mimbe si form in share victims, metina she munama show. That the next day, no, then announce 20-year plan. This is an antique. Is he new to the presidency?
Okay.
He was here between 2012 and 2016. He has lost touch, and I'm saying so because all staff our Hano, she's indicated saying he's.
What do you want for? One farm assembly, one farm sanitation bill. Anyawa, sanitation for this sika. Yakwati loan na breast sanitation for one farm yeshi. Now about Jeff sanitation for now what do you know? Anyawa, circle no circle shit. You show tension baby shit. Hey, who ya do? Who buy a just here? Hey, Mr. Pat, who ya buy professor intro? Hey, so what's a pat? Saga wide. What is a part now? Never ye bibiamo. Into
about 15 minutes, you can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid, make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them.
How long have you been waiting?
Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something, so it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Amasaman. Abani say Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever catastrophe or who cause one or who comes again. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushos in Abu, and the one who Omoya Maya and Yada baby.
That flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Amasaman. Abani say Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever catastrophe or who cause one or who comes again. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushos in Abu, and the one who Omoya Maya and Yada baby. This is Omaya baby. Said this thing by ya be one that ya be Rochina.
Imagine no for 4 hours in here. Me free fear and pass 6:30. A quack I think 9 or 10. And then a quaba copa a driver for Namso every day. Over quiet away so I was so do Amasaman. I was over 30 minutes. Uber do Amasaman 2 hours 30 minutes. And then I am and Okratisa, a quite a Kamucha from my now driver for yes, young Quajuma. Negative to come away. I didn't yama. Nam taxes are Homuti and Musumusani, the Amubajina Mudi and Muda Scandia Mudi, Yenim, Munia Quanamaya. Say insurance, driver for your insurance, your license. AM account, road account, Sikabia, one would be what driver for. Still, a coin yet. And any almost you have my way. Baby, I could be a 5 city, I bet 20 cities. And also, the police in this side, no accident driver, no do. Or Chiano Pepper will be a Juma, which you bet my catcher was a Ebia, Mammy Scabadito, Ebia, battery. Now, government, you know, Ebia battery, no, and I said, let's know who are you, government to me, Mamma, and to be a driver for your young father, and your Quano, your demonstration, a bino, and one man, one may acquire my own way to my
Abusian, no more Quasia Pam Bressing, you would see no. And this if one mobile Captain Smart pass on Betan TV, so no one can try your propaganda on Kansim who won't dear Tamano or Momon Bro. Omon Bressing Ghana for now, they think say Captain Smart no Nimiansa be. Now, cannot cry, Nunti Womutieno. Omon Bre, Ghana for now, Mutia Captain Smart no. Omo no omo bread. Now you see, about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasiasema Captain Smart Cotton TV so e kan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya asem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo.
Zene da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Kwa ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look at say hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abeya. It is a kind of they was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on fund free seniors who so my comfort. You see, any Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokikam Kakaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Kanum to Namkono. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common to Queen in a home. Chief Imam for the common to Queen in a home. Politicians need common to Queen in a home. Market women on common to Queen in a home. Ubian Kanum to Queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over or no bow, or no the credit scoring system, but I must open quantity. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a getting invest getting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most people getting. Is there anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa and I feel them watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi me na me go catch you radio drama ni ma say all members come to one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey radio drama ni mama ko gina say and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now they are kinking and we have utilization there. And I got for so can you but Obama boom, 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 boom. Much Obama kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say, Israel train,
But the issue is true.
Okwe letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1 which is never true.
Onye
juma order and onye juma order Amanam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Ya no catch you be say o di pa ne boa.